Okay, yeah, here we go. And hopefully this will just lead to the stream. Yeah, it works perfect. So, yeah, hello and yeah, welcome back to another stream. After a few days, I was on vacation. Now I'm back, and yes, here I am. I'm hearing myself. Let's just skip this. And hello to the ones who joined. Yeah, at the moment, I'm just, yeah, let me get back to some coding. Let me open a recent project like Project Generator. And yeah, let me sort it a little bit. And I have to get back into my old code because it's, yeah, kind of 8 days is not a long time, but still needs some time. So let me run my game. Yeah, we'll do Pygame. Ah, here we go. So this was a game I recently created. Get it here. Let me do it here. And yeah, hello to everyone who joined and write anything you want to ask in the chat. And with that in mind, let's start. Okay, first, yeah, there's this little issue that yeah, enemies can spawn inside inside obstacles. This shouldn't usually happen. Maybe I have to fix that. But yeah, apart from that, the game still works. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, yeah. It was a roguelike I created recently. And yeah, I have this figure, which is just a stick figure. And here we go. Now it's a little bit easier to kind of view. Got a lot of yellowish screens. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, the colors are randomly generated. The figure is randomly generated. The obstacles are randomly generated. Pretty easy and simple. And yeah, you will always find your way back to the entrance because I created a little route. So you will always, if there's an obstacle in the way, you will always find your way back to it. So yeah. Okay, at the moment no one else is watching. Maybe I did test the game a little bit too long, but yeah, I have to kind of find back into the game. So yeah. Okay, so what can we add now? Inventory is too difficult. Yeah, this shouldn't happen, by the way. So I should first fix that. So let me close it. And by the way, this stream will a little bit shorter. I will, do it maximum 2 hours, but more than 1.5 hours. Just, based on the fact that I have to work tomorrow. Tomorrow I can do a little bit longer, or I can make a little longer stream. But today has to be shorter, so just need to take a seat. So yeah. So where do I declare the enemies? Enemies, enemy list here. Generate enemy list. And Yes. Obstacles list is equals obstacles. What does basic functions create enemy list? So yeah, main enemies. Okay. Do I have something to set new? Yeah, vanish. Move random is okay. Set destination. I have to do something like this. Def set destination. Where can I place it? Def set destination. We need to def set dest. Self xy. Self point x equals x. Self point y equals y. And yes, back to the main function. Oh, not that main function, this main function. Okay, nothing in the chat, so back to it. Yeah, now we here generate the enemy list. And get into basic function. Okay. I already tried here to, yeah, kind of avoid that enemies spawn in obstacles or inside walls, trees, but I kind of didn't, yeah, make it. So for enemy and enemy list, while enemy X in, okay, while and the obstacle list are these rectangles or main obstacles. Obstacle list. Okay, walks. And again, main, not this main, should close it maybe. Main. Let's do it more simply. Enemy point get rectangle and obstacle yeah, we can totally delete this. And we can say for E in enumerate enemy list, enumerate enemy list here, while enemy point get rectangle obstacle list E. Oh no, let's say but he can spawn in another one. Let me think. How can we solve this? Maybe I should get a glass of water. Maybe this will help. Really, I need to drink something. That's just that simple. How can we solve this? Maybe I got an idea. Yes. Okay. If obstacle list for ops in obstacle list. So and I have to get back to the one. Yeah, to the first one. Okay, hello by the way to the one who joined, to the viewer who joined, yeah. Trying to make a little roguelike game at the moment. If you wanna see the current state, just write it down in the chat, or yeah, hello to the other ones who joined. I'm trying to make a roguelike game. Yeah, if you want to see anything, want me to code anything, want me to explain anything, write it in the chat. Hi, what are you building? Hello, Whiskey. I'm doing a little roguelike. Maybe I can show you. But I guess I have to the steps 1 second. So I built this one, this little thing. 1 second, this little thing. Here we go. Okay. Can you see it? Hopefully. No, it's lagging. What exactly? Okay, it started before. 1 second. It's a roguelike game, by the way. And I don't know. Now it should work. Yes. Here we go. This is a little roguelike game. Now you should see it. And yeah, enemies are moving, are randomly spawning. I have now only 3 different enemy types. They are attaching me. As you can see, I lost HP. And yes, if I have enough EP, I level up, as you can clearly see. Got a little HP boost. And yeah, levels are randomly generated like in any roguelike game, as you can see. And now what I want to try to avoid is that enemies spawn inside the obstacle like in this. And to do that I wanna alter the function where I create some stuff. Yes, that's it. And yeah, so what am I doing at the moment? We close the program. At the moment I want to kind of avoid the enemy spawning inside the obstacles, so I have to do something like this. For ops in obstacle list. And yeah, for enemy in enemy list, something like this. I'm doing it in Python, by the way, so, but yeah, you can see it in the description of the live stream that I'm doing, yeah, mostly everything in Python. Oh, thank you for your comment. Thank you for what you're writing. It kind of motivates or, yeah, makes me doing my stuff. It keeps me doing my stuff. Yeah. Yes, chest. I write that down 1 second. Should also make had to do a list anyway what I want to add because yeah, I came back from vacation and was kind of in the mode what should I do next. And yeah, I still have my project, but still kind of got out of shape regarding coding because yeah, I didn't bring any computer, any device with me on vacation, and yeah, you see, that's where you get how to get out of shape in coding. So again, for enemy and enemy list, for ops and obstacle list, and for now an if condition. If enemy collide, or if, how do I do the collide one? Yeah. If pygame point rectangle point collide rectangle enemy point get rectangle ops point get rectangle. Oh, please tell me I have the get rectangle function in obstacles. Enemies non-movable. I have. So enemy get rectangle obstacle. Oh, get rectangle. If that's the case, I have an idea. I had an idea. Yo, what's up, homie? Hey, Mujtaba. Yeah, welcome back to my stream. Yeah, nothing new. I got back from vacation. Now I'm heading kind of. Yeah, I need to learn how to get back into my old stuff and get back into my coding stuff. Like that. Hope you're doing fine, and yeah, nothing big has changed regarding my code or my game at the moment. Yeah. So where was I? Yeah. If pygame rectangle collide, yes. If they collide, he should start from new, but he should. So I should do break, but enemy point and he should start a new one. So for eops in, let's say for in range length of obstacle list, let's do it in the classic way. And yeah, 1 second, look into chat, nothing new. Okay, in range length obstacle Now I forgot to speak. If for e in range, so if and obstacle list e get rectangle e equals 0 equals 0. Do I have something to get local? Local. Okay, this won't work in Python. So let's do something like pointer equals 0 while pointer doesn't equal length of obstacle list else, this is really important, else pointer plus equals 1. And now pointer, this is also important that I use a pointer here. Yeah, you can see everything. And yeah, if they collide, the enemy chords are changing. Yeah, that's simply it. But again, he has to look up if the enemy coordinates are now in another obstacle, so he has to switch back to it. Yes. While pointer equals e equals 0, pointer plus equals 1. Okay, e equals 0 is not used anymore in that case. Let's do it. Okay. Get rectangle. Okay. Enemies. Oh, I called it get rect. Main. Basic functions. Get rect. Here we go. Yeah, okay. I guess it kind of worked. A little inefficient way, but in that case, it won't cost any, calculating time. Just for the case, this is simple calculating, so you won't save much space, but you can. Yeah, I also could use a list of coordinates and check it up, but then you don't really have the size of the object in mind. And in this case, I have the size of the object in mind. So I still need to do a few tests. What is obscore list is for? You see this in this case pink obstacles. These pink obstacles are kind of the wall. And the obstacle list, when I create an enemy list, which is a function, I don't want them to be spawned inside an obstacle. So I also have the obstacle list for an argument, set it default to none. So if I don't wanna, if I somewhere create an enemy list without an obstacle, it won't be used. But in that case, I gave all the obstacles randomly generated as an argument inside the function. And now he's checking, does an enemy would an enemy spawn inside an obstacle? And if that's the case, he will respawn the enemy with another coordinates. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see. Again, okay. But I see the enemies aren't spawning inside them. You see it again. I could increase the radius of the aggression. As you can see. Okay. Yeah, the enemies still are spawning inside each other. Maybe I will, but I guess I won't change that. Because this even happens in modern roguelike games. Yeah, but oh yeah, this was a level 3 monster. Way too hard. Yeah, again, next step should be kind of adding items, which will be a long step because now I will have mouse integration and something like this. But again, this should be a roguelike, and items are really important regarding a roguelike. Oh yeah, here you saw it. This one even spawned inside one. This shouldn't happen usually. But it happens way less than before. But why did it happen, and why does it happen now seldomly? Maybe I should just create more enemies and try it out. Okay, so for the next test, enough testing. For the next test, I will spawn even more enemies. Yeah. But I will get myself a little glass of water. Until that, yeah. Doing a little 5-minute break. No, that's too long. I didn't even start it yet. Doing a 3-minute break, I guess. Yeah. Be right back in. Oh no, viewers joined. I have 4 viewers. I can't do a water break. Yeah, the enemies are at the end different, but as you can see here, they are all kind of, yeah. So the different enemies don't make the enemy let them spawn inside the. So everything goes for the same enemy type, because the enemies here are just kind of, here's the main class enemy, and they are used inheritance, as you can see here. As yeah, they are inheriting, how you wanna call it, sorry for my bad pronunciation. They are kind of getting from the main or the father class, and yeah. So again, what was my intention now? Yeah, I wanted to create even more enemies. So, create enemy list. Help functions, basic functions. Let's do it really simple. Let's create more blobs. For x in random integer, let's say 22 and 28. This will add a lot of calculate, but no, he's fast. And yeah, no one of the enemies spawned inside the. Okay, didn't even know that it will get this fast. Yeah, leveling is now much easier. As you can see, I'm already level 3. But yeah, no one spawned inside a wall. Okay, for the sheer sake of. For the sheer sake of testing if it depends, if it is different regarding different enemy types, I kind of should add other enemy types. Okay, let's do it for, yeah, 22, 23 and 22, 66. Okay, again. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Now they spawned inside one. But yeah, really not much. And yeah, just funny how quick I level now. Still, I also need to add a death screen. Oh, I never got to level 6 in this game. I'm already level 8. Now the HP, as you can see, the HP. Okay. Yes, or I could do something like I could kind of make the size of the level more depending on the. May you show lerp function for each p bar? Lerp function. 1 second. What is lerp? What do you mean with lerp? Kind of. Or you mean just the function where I do the HP stuff? Or how I implemented HP? You mean that? I can totally do that. If that's what you mean. And yeah, so basically if that's what you meant, I kind of have to draw anything on the screen. As you, when I run the program, anything here is drawn. And yeah, the HP is also drawn, and the HP is depending on the player HP. Player is an object I created before, and when I run enemies and the player are colliding, the HP drops from the player. And the HP increases by a level up, which is also a function. If you mean that. Yeah. And again, so next intention was to basic functions, player related, death screen was already implemented. So yeah, it kind of works. I guess it's even more fun with that many enemies. I don't know. Shall I can ask you, why not? Let me do a little poll. Yeah, I can totally show you that. That's pretty. No, my English isn't that perfect either, so don't feel bad for that. Yeah, as you can see here, if you know some Pygame, here I just simply saw Pygame point draw point rectangle screen. Screen is simply the screen it is drawn on. Color equals red, and rectangle equals, yeah, this one 20, and so this are the coordinates, and this is the length and the height. Obviously the height is only 20, should be, and the length is the HP of the player. Player 1 is an object, max HP is HP. And yeah, because that we have it in, we first draw it in red and we draw it in green above that. And when the player HP vanishes, this one, the green rectangle kind of shrinks and it reveals the red rectangle under it. So like you having two papers and you're removing the green one and the red one under it appears. That's it. So if we run the program, he draws, and yeah, sorry for the little, this was go. So next thing I should add is maybe a death screen, because I don't have a death screen. And I totally need a death screen. And yeah, based on the fact that a lot of viewers left, I will just get myself now the glass of water because my kind of throat is getting dry. But that's good. I mean, that means I didn't forget how to talk. So let's say, I will get myself a glass of water. I would totally prefer a cup of coffee, but yeah, it's already late and I have to work tomorrow. If I wouldn't have to work tomorrow, I totally would get myself a little, yeah, not glass of water. I mean cup of tea, not of coffee. Okay. See you in. Okay, I should add that. See you in 4 minutes. So I'm back and no one is watching, but anyways, I wanted just to return, so I need to, first off, need to, Hey, welcome back. Yeah, welcome, Whiskey. Yes, let me return. 1 second, need to look up one or two things. Oh no, not that. So can. Okay, so let's return. Where was I? Yes, dev screen. So for the dev screen, I will look at old code I wrote. Something like this, test file to math with. There I made everything into one file. And this I kind of use if that. So enemies. Let's do something like self point that. Self point that equals false. Doesn't make sense. I could also just make something like if player HP is less than 0, but maybe you won't know. Maybe you will later include something that makes you even with even negative HP makes you be able to still be alive. So I just do it in the object oriented way, and public. And you know that is give a shy cause it starts with doggy style. That's a little, that's my childish humor. I found it funny, or kind of found it funny. My first videos I just made music by I made it procedural generated music tracks, and by that I kind of needed a name, and there's a singer called Harry Styles, and then I thought, Harry Styles, why don't I call myself Doggy Styles? And maybe this can lead you to a few situations like this. It's just maybe you need to explain that it's just a bad joke of a channel about coding, but nothing more than a bad joke. Okay. So if player, so if where is the blitz? Let's do it here. If player point HP less equals 0, less equals 0, player dead. Player 1 point dead equals true. And now if player 1 point dead break, and now after I broke, we have another while loop. While point while player 1 point that. Now we are again in an endless loop. And in this endless loop, what could I do here? Okay, the endless loop. Now I wanna do something like funny. Color. No. Here we go. Anti-analysis. Okay, here we say vendor. Blit. Player dead. Okay, dead label. Let's call it dead label. Dead label equals funny point red. F equals point vendor. You are dead. Yeah, with some quotation marks. And hello, Syra. What am I building? I can show you. It's a little roguelike game. 1 second. Here we go. Yeah, kind of messy because for test issues I set the enemy count a little bit higher than usual. And yeah, I don't know if you know roguelike games. They are just a figure which can level up and yeah, fighting enemies as you can see here. And yeah. Okay, this is simply the game, and if you head to the next level, everything is procedural generated. I head to the next level here. Yeah, a new level will generate with different colors, different obstacles, and all sorts of that. And yeah, while leveling up, I will deal more damage. And yeah, as you see, the enemies just die quicker. And the HP gets also higher. So as you can see on the right, with level up, the HP gets higher. Yeah, a little bit you can compare it with Pac-Man, but in this case you have your own level and you can eat everything, but everything will also eat you at the same time, and you should eat first. Kind of that, and yeah. They're kind of, yeah, their moving reminds of shivering, kind of. And if I made the enemies attack me, yeah, and it's really colorful, but yeah, there are a few things I need to implement. But the enemies are dying much quicker now, which is good. But yeah, now the HP bar is even more in a non-viewable way. Okay, now let's close the program. At the moment yeah, the HP bar is much too big, far. Maybe I will even go to hard containers or adding a max level, or yeah. I never thought of trying such an idea in Python. Yeah, I also did, but I thought about Pygame, which is much more fun to show Pygame than showing, for example. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, it is in Pygame, for example, you do games in Python, but if you want to make viable competitive games, then you should rely on C++ or any thing regarding C or C++, but not Python. This is more, but it's really simple to kind of do your code first in Python and then yeah, kind of make it into more complex code in C++ and use Python more as a concept. Yeah. Okay. Where was I? Dev screen. That label. While player 1 point dead. Render. Oh no, I should render it here. Oh no, I can render it here, and I can do something like screen blit that label, and yeah, destination is yeah 500, and yeah, guess I can add a little bit red, like yeah, like this, red. So now let's try to die, which is not that simple because the game is pretty easy. But by the way, I love this one. I love the tunnel. Okay. How can I try to die? Can make the enemy simply stronger. Yeah, let's make the ice star stronger. HP is, yeah, let's do 25 and equals level +2. Now they should be a challenge. Oh, I'm dead. So, okay, the screen freezes, which is not that bad, but nothing else happens. Ah, I know what I did wrong. I totally know what I did wrong. So again to the main function, clock point tick, clock point tick 30, no 30. Okay, again, let's try to die. So these enemies are easy, but yeah, here's the Death Star which kills me. And why do I get a loading cursor? You are dead, red. How did I solve it in my first test file? Ah, the flip function, okay. I need to do the flip function. Okay, was green point flip, was it that? No. Not blit, flip. Flip. Okay. My ability to keep short knowledge is like 0 because I already forgot the name of the function. It was pygame point display point flip. Okay. Please don't think too bad of me, but I need to, yeah, do this. Now let's try again. Let's try dying. Yes, you are dead. So this is the way I wanted it. Perfect. And hello to everyone who joined. 6 viewers is pretty cool. Thanks everyone who's watching, by the way. And yeah, I got my dead screen. So, do I really have to do the complicated stuff? Maybe I should do something like 8 viewers. Wow, okay, this is amazing. 8 viewers. Hello to everyone who joined viewing. Yeah, trying to do a roguelike game like this, as you can see here. And yeah, added a death screen, so when I die, which is I kind of avoided now, yeah, the screen freezes and I'm leveling up by killing enemies, obviously, at the moment. And yeah, next I should get to clean the HP bar, because yeah, the HP bar increases, which was a cool feature at the beginning, but now kind of is annoying, because now after gaining, I guess it was level 11 or 13, the HP bar kind of is not viewable because it's too large for the screen. 1 second, I can show you immediately. But I kind of like the enemies attacking me. What I also could add is that they won't attack you if they, because they can't see you through obstacles, like this. Or do they see me? No. But here we go, 1 second. Yeah, in this case they shouldn't be able to see you. Let's kill some of the star ones, because they give the most HP. Yeah, here you can see it now. I kind of die because, no, I don't die, but I can't see the screen anymore. And or the health bar isn't viewable on the screen anymore. Okay, now let's do something regarding that. What could I do? I could, yeah, I should kind of the way player max HP okay, I can make it pretty simple. I can just player max HP divided by 20. Hardly divided by 20 if I do it like this. Okay, let's do something like, yeah, let's do it like, or let's do it like 8. 8 like this. And let's move the HP to where is the color? 105, and HP to Pygram Blitz, my level 2. 105, okay. Yeah, that's better, much better. Now the screen got the same. Hello to Yusuf. Yeah. Thank you very much for the comment. Really appreciating it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm also not an expert, to be honest. I am programming, yeah, as a hobby. I'm studying computer science next to it. Yeah, but thank you for your chat message. Yeah, you can use lerp thing for HP bar, I guess. Yeah. You also I could do something like, let me think. Yes. I could also make a little, what I was intending, because it's kind of cooler to see the progress of your leveling by seeing HP bar getting larger each time. It's like playing The Legend of Zelda. And in The Legend of Zelda, you will see your kind of hearts growing after collecting a heart container. And I want to kind of get a similar feeling to that. Maybe not the same feeling because this is, yeah, not possible. But yeah, kind of a similar feeling. And that's why I did it like that. Let's do something like 20 HP. 20. Where am I? 20, 20, 20, 20. Yeah, let's try it with 5. 5. Yeah, now, or okay, we have to do 4. Okay, perfect. Now you see it got really small, and yeah, now to reach the border, you really need to. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, to to get to the border, you need to really much, and I could kind of increase the level, or I could do a max level, or I could stop the progress of the bar and could say something which I can do now. If player 1 point level, come on, I have a level. Here level is in uppercase because I'm stupid. If it is less than, let's say, 50, do it like this. Else I can do it like this. But yeah, I can simply draw something like, yeah, 100 and player HP second, max HP, player 1 point HP. Okay, player 1 point max HP, if I can type correctly. Multiplied with player HP, not multiplied, I'm stupid, divided by player HP. This is in an integer. Multiplied with 100. Okay. And yeah, integer in this case because, yeah. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I guess I won't level up until 50. I will try it. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I made the game too hard now. Let me avoid the stars, if that is possible. Okay, now I should be strong enough for the stars. Yes. Oh no, not really. But let's do, first of all, let's kind of decrease the HP of the stars. Let's do +1. And HP should equal, yeah, 12. And then let's do something like, yeah, less than 5. So now let's try it again. Okay, now I am strong enough. And yeah, here we go. Now the HP should be as big as the screen. So this is 100, let's say 100 and how big is the screen? Oh, I can simply calculate it. 105 red, and the screen is about 2000. So yeah, 195 should be the max. Let's say, yeah, 195. Or yeah, let's do 190. 190, and now should be yeah. Oh, a little bit too high. Why? I thought I calculated it right, but maybe let's try to see again. What did I do wrong now? Let's do it like 180. Oh, yeah, no. Max HP. Let's try it again. Okay, I need to level up quickly. To check it. And let me see in the chat. Sorry, forgot about that. Oh, nothing new. Nothing relevant. So let's resume to the game. And yeah. To check one thing, which is let me first level, yeah, level 50, that's more like it. Okay. Okay. Something like that, but let's get back to level 50. So I mean less than equals 50. And hello to the one who joined, by the way. Trying to make a little roguelike at the moment. Yeah, feel free to ask anything, and yeah. Where was I? I was at, yeah. Now what could I add next? I guess it's kind of time to kind of at let's see. Yeah, more enemies, I guess. More enemies and less enemies at the start. So, player related. Enemies, no. Basic function. Yeah, so let's say something like 2 to 8. Or let's say 2 to 9. 3 to, no, 1 to 6. And 1 to 4. By the way, I need to sleep soon, so I will maybe do it to 10 more minutes. So the live stream was really fun today. One of the best live streams I ever did. So thanks everyone who watched. Okay. Now we got back. Now what I want to do, I want to increase it. Level. Say something plus level and plus level. Plus level, and level will be multiplied with random rand int. Level is random rand int. Okay, and now level 0, 0 and level. So again, yeah, 1 plus level and 1 plus level, and max will also be increased. Plus four. Yeah. Now, okay. Maybe I need to add more brackets. Yeah, here we go. Ah, here we go. Now I got back into the strange level. Anyways, yeah, now let's do the strange level. And I shouldn't fall asleep. I can fall asleep soon, because I guess I will soon end the screen. But first let me do a little final one, because yeah, even though it kind of looks the same, we improved many things. This is level, yeah, here we go. And yeah. Yeah, improved a lot. I will add more tomorrow, I guess. Looking forward. Yeah. I think so. Oh, now it's getting interesting. Okay, this is interesting. Maybe we should try it again. Okay, I need to do a few more test ones to check what happens, because this one shouldn't happen at all. And I also want to kind of create new enemy types that will spawn after reaching some level. So at the moment you have only 3 enemy types, which is much too low. But yeah, that's what we got. I guess when I do another roguelike, the level itself will be an object. Should be an object. But in this case I didn't. Yeah. But that's something to keep track or remind yourself in the next one. In this one. Oh, now it gets higher. The enemies are getting... the amount of enemies gets higher. Kind of funny how this will head. Or where this will head. But now we are even back to the... yeah. To the old roots. Okay. I don't know what caused the exception. Really don't know. Ah, here we go again. I should make a little screenshot of this. You can't see it, I guess. Yeah, this is the exception I got. And yeah. With that in mind, maybe I will, finish today's video because I already got 3 hours, which is cool. No, not 3 hours, 1.5 hour, but still I'm really satisfied with today. For such a short, for 3 now, I got my tongue. For such, hello, this could be an outtake video. I mean, for such a short stream. Okay, 10 more minutes maybe, or 5 more minutes. So it has something to do with this. In range. Ah, double plus. Plus, this could be it. Int plus level. 4 plus level. What again was size factor? Ah, here, okay. 2 plus level. 9 plus level multiplied with. Ah, okay. This happens if this range is. Okay, I should do something like plus level plus, and again plus level, and again plus level plus. Okay, now let me see again if this, oh, I have to run it again. But anyways, hello to the one who joined recently. Again, I'm doing a roguelike. And yes. Where was I? Yeah. Let's do another few test runs because the possibility increases with each level, I guess. So let's see if the exception will still be raised, but it shouldn't anymore. Yeah, this is the hard part of bug fixing because you don't know, if you don't know what causes the bug. And you need to kind of provoke or yeah, make the game into creating this bug. Maybe I should also make moving faster. Oh, I got this kind of level again. But it's cool that this level exists. So I got, by the way, a cool idea for how to include boss rooms. Oh, this is a wet level. This is pretty wet. Or how to get secret rooms. But I guess I solved the issue. And I guess you can't hear me clicking anymore. And yeah. Hello to the 3 new viewers. I'm already finished with this live stream, so you are joining right before I will end this live stream. But yeah, welcome to the live stream. I'm sorry I have to end it soon. Just try to see if I fix the bug in this game. Kind of cool that the enemy increases with the level, or how the enemy is increased with the level. Let me see if I even can provoke a death, but now I got way too strong. So I really need new, yeah. As you can see, much enemies. I already hit level 13 in this case. Okay, now not that much enemies spawned. But anyway, I'm kind of one-hitting everything. Kind of escalating. This is even like a Diablo game with that much enemies. Okay, because I'm level 18, there's this much, and I'm eating them alive. And now it needs some time until, but because there's so many, and now the game will get kind of laggy. Yeah, these are too much enemies. I kind of overdid it. As you can see here. But anyways, this is some issues I can try to fix tomorrow. And with that in mind, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in the country. Hopefully see you on the next stream. And yeah, see you and bye bye.